Good morning, students. Today we are taking lesson number 5 for third language Marathi students. A survivor's story. Survivors means in Marathi महान आपत्तीतून वाचलेला माणूस, one who saved from the great danger. His story is explained here. Before reading the lesson, we have to read pre-reading task. Eric Weinmeier, ex-mayor, became blind at the age of 13. Eric Weinmeier, he was blind at the age of 13. Means he lost seeing sight. He can't see anything. At the age of 13, he was blind, but he never thought that he was a handicap. He never thought that he was a handicapped person. Means I have no eye. He never guessed. That is, he is handicapped. My other senses are strong and powerful, he would say. He lost eyesight, but he never thought that he was handicapped. He gave importance to other organs. I lost one sense, but I have other senses. That is, they are very powerful, he would also say, on and openly say. Then, Eric Weinmeier, ex-mayor, तो 13व्या वर्षी आंधळा झालेला, म्हणजे पाहायला त्याला येत नव्हतं. परंतु तो कधीही मनात असं समजला नव्हता की मी अपंग आहे. अपंग नावाचा शब्द त्याला कधीही झेपत नव्हतं. तो असं म्हणणार की सारखं की माझं इतर ऑर्गन्स आहेत, सेन्सस आहेत, ते फार चांगलं आहे. आय हॅव एअर, आय हॅव नोज, आय हॅव माउथ. He said like this. Eric began climbing mountains at an early age. He started climbing mountains at the early age. He finally climbed Mount Everest at the age of 33. At the early age, he started climbing mountains. He tried first. Means practice makes the man perfect. One who is rigorous practice, then automatically he achieved the greatness, he achieved the feat. He started climbing mountains at early age. He finally climbed Mount Everest, highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. He climbed that peak at the age of 33. It was not easy to achieve this feat. At the age of 33, he climbed Mount Everest, but it was not easy task, easy to achieve this feat. He faced bravely the weather condition and steep slopes. While climbing the mountains, Mount Everest, he faced weather conditions. Weather condition was worse. And steep slopes, means ups and down. He gave the team some anxious moments, but Eric's spirit and confidence remained unbeaten. Means he gave team some anxious moments. That is spirit. He was a spirited person and having confidence, remain confidence, that unbeaten. Unbeaten means that cannot be. That is easy. That is continuous winning. He was the first blind man to reach Mount Everest. Is not that a great achievement? Discuss Eric's achievements in groups. Means Eric, he was the first blind man to reach Mount Everest. Isn't that great achievement? It is a great achievement. इथं असं आहे की एरिक त्यांनी तो असं 13व्या वर्षी त्याचं डोळे गेले, तो आंधळा झाला, परंतु कधीही आपल्या जीवनामध्ये तो अपंग म्हणून समजून घेतला नाही. आणि तो वारंवार सांगणार की माझे इतर सेन्स ऑर्गन्स आहेत ते फार पॉवरफुल आहेत, त्याचा उपयोग मी करू. एरिक नंतर कोवळ्या वयामध्ये त्यांनी काय केले, पर्वतारोहण करायची सुरुवात केली, चढ उतार करायचा पर्वत, आणि फायनली शेवटी त्यांनी काय केले, 33व्या वर्षी माउंट एव्हरेस्ट पर्वत शिखर त्यांनी चढले. हे सोपं काम नाही. तिथलं परिस्थिती काय होतं, वातावरण एकदम कठीण होतं, चढ उतार होतं, आणि तसेच त्याचं स्पिरिट आणि कॉन्फिडन्स, त्याचं प्रेरणा, स्फूर्ती आणि विश्वास त्याचं होतं ते कधी अजिंक्य, अनबीटन मीन्स अनबीटन, अजिंक्य. दॅट इज फर्स्ट ब्लाइंड मॅन, हा पहिला आंधळा माणूस. कुठं, माउंट एव्हरेस्ट शिखर चढलेला पहिला आंधळा माणूस कोण, एरिक वेमेर. दॅट इज, हिअर इज another great person who would not lose his self-confidence. This is about the pre-reading task about Erich Wemer, means losing his one organ. He was successful in his life and he became first blind man to climb the Mount Everest. Now come to the next great person who would not lose his self-confidence. Another story is mentioned, a real story is mentioned in this lesson, that is survivor story. That is, he never lose his self-confidence. One must have self-confidence. He got name and fame only by his positive attitude and determination. He got his name and fame spread far and wide. Positive attitude and determination. Think positively and determined. These are the qualities of a person. His name was Lance Armstrong. Survivor story. Survivor means to save, to escape from the danger. Lance Armstrong was born on September 18, 1971 in Plano, Texas. September 18, 1971 in Plano, Texas in America. Lance Armstrong was born on September 18, that is 1971. 18 September 1971 he was born. Lance Armstrong. Lance Armstrong was born on September 18, 1971 in Plano, Texas. Texas is in America. In America, he was born in the 20th century on 18 September 1971. Since his younger days, he had been interested in athletics. Since his younger, while he was young, he was interested in athletics. Athletics means one who is fit and able to perform energetic movements easily. Athletics means a person who is fit and able to perform energetic movements easily. He began running and swimming at the age of 10. He started athletics at the age of 10, running and swimming. These two, running and swimming, he started at the age of 10. By 13 he began competing in adult athletic triathlon. By 13, at the age of 10 he started running and swimming, Lance Armstrong. Then at the age of 13 competing in adult athletic. Adult means age. There is a age group. Adult athletics, that is triathlons. Triathlons means an athletic competition in which each competitor takes part in 3 events. Triathlon means 3 events. athletics can participate and take part in 3 activities events, that is, one is swimming, cycling and running. First he started at the age of 10 running and swimming. Later on by 13, at the age of 13, he competing in adult athletic and athletic triathlons. At the age of 16, he won national sprint course triathlon championship. See here, at the age of 10, he started running and swimming. At the age of 13, he competing adult triathlon. At the age of 16, after 3 years, he won national sprint course triathlon championship. Triathlon championship he participated and he won that championship. The next year he became number 1 triathlon under 19 age group. See here, started his beginning career at the age of 10, he started running and swimming. Later on, at the age of 13, he began competing in adult athletic triathlon. At the age of 16, won national sprint course championship. And the next year, he becomes, that is, number 1 triathlon, means top level triathlon, that is under 19 age group. At under 19 age group, he was number 1 topmost, that is athletic. Lance Armstrong तो 18 सप्टेंबर 1971 प्लॅनो टेक्सासमध्ये जन्मला होता. तो युवक असतानाच त्याला ॲथलेटिक्समध्ये, ॲथलेटिक्स म्हणजे घट्ट शरीर असलेला ॲथलेटिक्स, त्याच्यामध्ये त्याला फार आवड होतं आणि तो पळण्याच्या शर्यतीमध्ये आणि पोहण्यामध्ये सुरुवात केला 10व्या वर्षी. नंतर 13व्या वर्षी अडल्ट ॲथलेटिक ट्रायहॅलथॉन म्हणजे 3 इव्हेंट्समध्ये भाग घ्यायचा. ट्रायहॅलथॉन अडल्ट म्हणजे वयस्कर ग्रुपमध्ये, गटामध्ये त्यांनी भाग घेतले, म्हणजे पार्टिसिपेट केले आणि त्यांनी राष्ट्रीय स्प्रिंट कोर्स चॅम्पियनशिप जिंकले. आणि नेक्स्ट इयर त्यांनी 19 वयोगटातील आतील गटातील नंबर 1 तो एक क्रीडापटू बनला. Lance soon chose to concentrate on cycling. He became the US national amateur champion. He was choose to concentrate on cycling. Cycling concentrate केले, concentrating on cycling. Become the US national amateur champion. Amateur means वृद्ध, वयोवृद्ध, वय झालेले, म्हणजे कोणीही त्याच्यामध्ये भाग घेऊ शकतात. सायकलिंगमध्ये US मध्ये अमेच्युअर सायकलिंग चॅम्पियनमध्ये त्यांनी भाग घेतला. Bicycling and sports world felt stunned at Lance Armstrong's performance. Means throughout the world his fame spread far and wide. Lance Armstrong was a great sportsman and cyclist. But unfortunately in October 1996 he suffered from testicular cancer. Unfortunately, at the beginning he won that is sprint course triathlon championship and number 1 under 19 age group, that is, and also become US amateur champion. And later on in October 1996 he was suffering from testicular cancer. Means cancer disease struck him and it had spread to the lungs and brain. Doctors had to perform surgery, but his condition was too bad to take up this operation. Doctors diagnosed him, performed surgery. Surgery was performed, but condition was too bad to take up this operation. His condition was worse day by day to take up this operation, to perform operation. Cycling आणि स्पोर्ट्समध्ये लान्स आर्मस्ट्रॉंग सुप्रसिद्ध झाला, परंतु दुर्दैव त्याचं ऑक्टोबर 1996 साली त्याला कॅन्सर रोग जडला. कॅन्सर रोगानं तो पीडित झाला. लंग्स आणि ब्रेनला ते कॅन्सर स्प्रेड झाला. लंग्स आणि ब्रेन, मेंदू आणि फुफ्फुसाला कॅन्सर झाला. डॉक्टर त्यांनी काय केले, शस्त्रचिकित्सा केली, परंतु त्याचं परिस्थिती दिवसेदिवस ढासळत गेली. Lance was a man who would not give up easily. Though he was suffering from testicular cancer, that disease spread to lungs and brain, but he never give up easily. He never give up. Give up means to leave it. After months of chemotherapy, his bones got weakened and he was not able to pedal his cycle even for short distance around his house. He never give up his thoughts. After one month after chemotherapy was taken, his bones got weakened. His bones in the body, his bones were weakened and not able to pedal his bicycle even for short distance around his house. Though he was expert in cycling, running, swimming, all these things, but when he was struck by cancer, testicular cancer, he was not able to pedal his bicycle for a short distance around his house. His illness weakened him physically. His illness, his weakness, that is weakened him physically, he was weak. However, mentally he was getting strong. He was physically weak, but he was mentally strong. He determined not only survive but also to return to cycling. See his aim. He was mentally strong but physically weak. He determined himself in his mind not only to survive but also to return to cycling. Not only to survive, to again start cycling. It was his determination, self-confidence. At the end of chemotherapy treatment, he found his cancer had miraculously gone. At the end of treatment, chemotherapy, that is, he found his cancer had miraculously gone. Extraordinarily. Miraculously means extraordinarily. It is gone. At the end of treatment, in February 1997, he was declared cancer free. In 1997, February. In 1996, he was suffering from cancer. In 1 year, his cancer was gone. He was cured from cancer disease. Means doctors declared that he was cancer free man in the 1997 February. His bicycle now become the symbol of his magic spell. His contention was. So see, his bicycle was the symbol of magic spell. I used the cycling, and my cancer was gone. It was a magic spell. My cycle is magic spell. His contention was, his intention was, he is saying, if I still can move, it means I am not sick. He was saying, that is, if I still can move, it means I am not sick. If I am moving now, I am not sick. This is the second paragraph. तो म्हणतो की त्याला कॅन्सर डिसीज झालं, कॅन्सर रोगानं त्रस्त झाला 1996 मध्ये. डॉक्टर्सनं काय केले, अनेक ऑपरेशन केले. नंतर तो कधीही तो जीवनामध्ये काय झाला नाही, निराश झाला नाही. 1 महिन्यानंतर केमोथेरपी त्याच्यावर प्रयोग केले गेले. म्हणजे केमोथेरपी म्हणजे कॅन्सर रोगाला ते इंजेक्शन, केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट. केमोथेरपी मीन्स केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ डिसीज, कंटिन्युअस यूज. आणि त्याचे बोन्स काय होते, शरीरातले हाडं सगळं अशक्त होत झाले आणि सहज सायकलचं पॅडल पण मारायला तो अशक्त झाला, असं परिस्थिती झाली. तो शारीरिक दृष्टीनं अशक्त झाला, परंतु मानसिक दृष्टीनं तो बलिष्ठ होता आणि मनामध्ये असं एक निर्धार केला की मी फक्त जिवंत राहणार नाही, परंतु परत आणि मी सायकलिंग करणार. आणि केमोथेरपी ट्रीटमेंट झाल्याबरोबर ते ट्रीटमेंट केल्याबरोबर अद्भुत इलेक्शन घडलं की त्याचे संपूर्णपणे तो कॅन्सर रोगापासून मुक्त झाला फेब्रुवारी 1997 आणि डॉक्टरनं कॅन्सर मुक्त रुग्ण म्हणून त्यांनी डिसाईड केले. त्याचं कॅन्सर मुक्त व्हायला मुख्य संकेत कोणतं? सायकल. ते सायकलच त्यांना कॅन्सरपासून मुक्ती मिळाली. Lance was recognized earlier as a great one-day racer, but he could not take up the race which lasted for 2 days or weeks. Lance, recognized earlier as great one-day racer, सायकलिंग करणार श्रेष्ठ क्रीडापटू, परंतु not take up race which lasted for 2 days or weeks. One-day racer, not 2 days or weeks. He demanded great strength to race along the mountainous area. Demanded what he wanted, that is strength he wanted. Mountainous area म्हणजे पर्वतमय प्रदेशामध्ये सायकलिंग करायचं म्हटलं की एक दिवसाचं तो पूर्णपणे सायकलिंग करतो. 2 दिवस नाही, आठवडा नाही, परंतु त्याचं मागणी काय होती की स्ट्रेंथ पाहिजे, शक्ती पाहिजे. 2 दिवस आणि आठवडापर्यंत सतत सायकलिंग करायची आणि ते पण पर्वतमय प्रदेशामध्ये सायकलिंग करायचं म्हटलं की शक्तीचा आवश्यक आहे. इट वॉज ट्रू टेस्ट फॉर दोज होपिंग टू बी द वर्ल्ड क्लास रेसर्स. इट इज ट्रू वर्ल्ड क्लास, वर्ल्ड फेमस रेसर्स इज नीडेड. ही हॅड डन टूर दी फ्रान्स ओनली वन्स. टूर दी फ्रान्स म्हणजे फ्रान्सला त्यांनी सायकलिंग केले ओनली वन्स, फक्त एकदा. ही हॅड टू ड्रॉप ऑफ ऑन अदर occasions because of fatigue or accidents. Once, only once he taken the tour de France, but again he drops that because of fatigue and accidents. नंतर त्यांनी त्याचं स्टॉप केले, थांबवले, कारण की फॅटिग, दमणूक, थकवा होऊ लागला, दुर्घटना झाली. कोचेस अँड फ्रेंड्स ॲडवाइज्ड हिम नॉट टू टेक अप द रेस. कोचर असतात का नाही, त्यांनी सल्ला दिले की आता तू काय कर, हे रेस बंद कर, तुला शरीर तुझा साथ देत नाही, रेस बंद कर. बट ही टूक अप द रेस अँड ओव्हर. परंतु त्याने ऐकलं नाही, त्याने रेस केले आणि जिंकले. ही रीच द फिनिश line in Paris 7 minutes and 37 seconds earlier than the other competitors. ते रेस त्यांनी जिंकले. किती? पॅरिसमध्ये लाईन क्रॉसिंग कितीला गेले? 7 मिनिट आणि 37 सेकंद. 7 minutes and 37 seconds earlier than the other competitors. म्हणजे इतर ते भाग घेतलेले होते ना, त्यांच्यापेक्षा अगोदर 7 minutes 37 seconds. This was really commendable. This is a very commendable situation feat in his lifetime. Praiseworthy. Commendable means praiseworthy. स्तुति करण्यासाठी. Lance won France the Tour de France successfully in 2000, 2001 and 2002 and 2003 consecutively 4 times. Lance ना टूर दी फ्रान्स सक्सेसफुली जिंकलं त्यांनी. सतत 4 वर्ष, 2000, 2001, 2002 आणि 2003. While fighting his cancer, he defeated his life's greatest enemy, cancer. While suffering from cancer, he was fighting against the cancer disease and defeated his life's greatest enemy, cancer. He defeated his life's greatest enemy. Once the cancer struck, he is no more. But it was not happened in case of Lance Armstrong. He brought up hopes to many people who were suffering from cancer. He is advising, he is encouraging hopes to the many people who were suffering from cancer. There are so many people who are suffering from cancer now. He is encouraging them, hoping that is, he set up Lance Armstrong Foundation only to help these people. So, for curing the cancer patients, he set up Lance Armstrong Foundation to cure or to help these people, that is, such type of peoples in his lifetime. So here ends this lesson, that is a survivor's story. Here are some glossaries on page number 35. Athletic person who is English meaning is given. Athletic means घट्ट शरीर आणि व्यायाम विषयी. Triathlon means 3 इव्हेंट्स मध्ये भाग घेऊ शकतो. ट्राय मीन्स 3, एक स्विमिंग, सायकलिंग आणि रनिंग. पळायचं आणि सायकलिंग करायचं. स्टन्ड मीन्स मूर्छित होणे. केमोथेरपी म्हणजे द्रव पदार्थाचं ट्रीटमेंट. स्प्रिंट म्हणजे भरधाव वेगाने धावण्याची शर्यती. स्प्रिंट म्हणजे काय? भरधाव वेगाने धावण्याची शर्यती. मिरेक्युलसली मीन्स एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी, अद्भुत, विलक्षण. नेक्स्ट फॅटिग, थकलेला, दमलेला. कॉमेंडेबल मीन्स पेज वर्दी, स्तुत्य. सो वोकॅब्युलरी 1, A, vocabulary part. Write down opposites of the following words choosing from the words given in brackets. In the brackets below, words are given to match proper word. One sample is done for you. Weaken, strengthen. Weaken opposite, strengthen is given there. Incapable, here capable. Incapable opposite, capable. Superior, inferior. Failure, success. Reject, accept. Immediate, gradual. These are the opposite words. Once again I will tell you. First one is given, second capable, third inferior, fourth success, fifth reject, accept, and sixth gradual. So B vocabulary part is replace the underlined words with appropriate words choosing from those given below in brackets. Make necessary changes. So to remove the underlined word and use the given words. The train came to the station on time. To remove came and use arrived there. Second one, his aim was so perfect that the bird died immediately. Perfect, remove the perfect. Use this accurate. Third one, the students went to the teacher to ask for pardon. To remove pardon, use there forgive. In place of pardon, you use forgive. Fourth one, the poor boy drank the whole bottle of water to satisfy his thirst. Satisfy, that is, remove the satisfy and use their quench. And fifth one is, mother held her son tightly to her bosom when she met him after a long time. Held her son tightly. It means that remove held her son tightly, use their embrace. Now come to the next comprehension questions. First one is answer the following 1-2 sentences. Where was Lance Armstrong born? Lance Armstrong was born on September 18, 1971, Plano, Texas, America. Second one, what was Armstrong's ranking under 19 category triathlon? So by 13 he was number 1. 19 age he become number 1 triathlon under 19 age group. What disease was Lance Armstrong diagnosed with? He was suffering from testicular cancer. Lance Armstrong was diagnosed testicular cancer. What was Lance's condition when doctors decided to do the surgery? He suffered from cancer. It had spread to the lungs and brain. Doctors said to perform his surgery, but his condition was too bad to take up this operation. Then what was commendable Armstrong's performance in Tour de France? He had done Tour de France only once. He had to drop off on other occasions because of fatigue or accidents. Coaches and friends advised him not to take up the race, but he took up the race and won. He reached the finish line in Paris 7 minutes and 37 seconds. Earlier than other competitors. This was really commendable. How many times did he win the Tour de France? 4 times, means in 2000, 2001, 2002 and 2003. Continuously 4 times. When was he declared to have been cured of cancer? While fighting his life, that is, he was declared that cancer free. When miraculously at the end of chemotherapy treatment, he found his cancer had miraculously gone. In February 1997, he was declared cancer free man. So next period we will take the other point.